October 7. Oh. Ginawan ko na siya 7. Dugor eh.
Bulutora yung galing.
Asi! Uy! Ito na uy!
What's that? No, what's that? Collection garden.
Asi!
Wow. No touching of any kind of plants. Left daw. Left?
Sunod lang mo diyan.
Mama. Here. Uy, fish, you see? See? Oh. Ay, nagpasok ko. Uy. Wala pa.
Ada anak fish. Oh!
Guys. Here ba? Anong meron dito? Wala. Tama ba ito pinupuntahan natin? Hindi ko rin alam. May tubig, may tubig. Piling ko naman tama. Oh, uy. Careful, Roha. Careful, Roha. Pep, pep, pep. Why? Butas na yung dahon. Baka yan? Asan yung giant aquarium yung sinasabi? Aquarium? Sa bababa pa? Sige na. Meron pa ba, pet? Diyan. Pababa? Big, madulas, ha?
Ma'am, pero fish naman siya.
The picture. Oh, the fish.
Fish! Oh!
Ito na nga isda.
Bako fish, ma'am. O mga giant gurami.
Yeah. Ay, nakatako. Wala na tayo.
Wow.
Dabo fish pa. Nanadako fish.
Ha?
Nanadako fish.
Oo.
Akawan na
Ate lang dito.
Picture ka, Ru.
Aquarium.
Dito ka, picture ikaw.
Ha?
Oh, masarap dito. Ru, tingin. Smile. Isa pa. Smile. Smile, Ru, tingin dito. Yan. Okay.
Saan dito? Picture man.
Naong, laki. Oh. Ito pa.
Bang ha. Dali. Na.
Yes. Yeah.
May smile.
Wow. Fish? Oh?
Pwede, kaso mainit.
Wait.
Where's the bird?
Where's the bird? Where's the bird?
Wala, bird.
Monkey.
Beware of fish daw. Wala kasi ano.
Oo, lagi.
Wait! Wait lang! No, dalawa ka na. Ang scared, baka manuka sila. Dadaan lang kami.
Ay, dito mo guys.
Hanging parrot. Nasaan yung hanging parrot? May bird feeding daw. Paras kayo posisyon.
Yan na kayo. Yan na kayo.
Uy, sa'yo.
Mapo, ma'am. Yan, picture. Huwag lang i-touch yung baby diha.
Ay, hindi. Tihan. Oh my God.
Okay, look kuya.
Ay!
Tingin si kuya.
Bird?
Let's go! May laking alaga! I'll take you home na ha. Let's go! Ayaw nila umalis!
Ayaw na umalis.
Meron ko, Col?
Ha?
Meron ka? Oo. Hindi ko alam saan, basta na-feel ko na may init. Uy, ayaw ko, mama. Lumipad. May kinakain kasi ako. May kinakain. Bye-bye, guys. Wala naman pet sa akin. Yung ano lang, ito lang oh, yung watermelon. Ah, basa. Nagulat. Huwag akong ginugulat. Dito sa paa ko, oh. Huwag sila nang gugulat ng ganun. Experience. At least kahit hindi tayo nag... Wow. Kapoy ka, paano na ako, energetic.
Hi,
Hahanapin mo pa, pet. Ay, ito yung dadaanan at ayun, nagdadaanan. Ano yan? Babo? Babo?
Dili, ibang klase pa yan na ostrich.
Kasi yung kangaroo ba?
Cheers, parang kasi
Uy, watch ha. Kids.
Di mo kukid.
Punta na wapag.
Mag-iwan ka ba ng ano dito ba kasi niya?
Hold, kuya, hold.
Wow, picture!
Cutie. Capybara. It's a capybara. Yeah. No hands.
Hi, tiger!
Ay, nagwiwi. Nagumol. Ah, okay. Ang healthy. Healthy siya. Buyog. Ay, naligo siya.
Donkey!
Say hi!
Wow!
Hi!
Wow!
Oh, healthy siya. Adiso to pa rin.
Alright, I guess we already have our adult volunteer from Atika. Now, ma'am, please be careful going down and kindly listen to Atika's instructions. Alright, well, I guess we're all set and ready. Now, ma'am, stand still and don't make extra movement. Eyes in the camera and show me your best smile. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's meet our group of Sunpreneurs. Most Sunpreneurs have a golden plumage from their heads down to their underparts with green wings, resembling the colors of a beautiful sunset. And that's why they're called as Sunpreneurs. These birds can be found in tropical regions of northeastern South America, including Brazil, Guyana, and Venezuela. Take your time, buddy. For their lifespan, they can live from 20 to 30 years in the wild, but here inside the captivity, they can live much longer. Thank you so much, your adult volunteer. Now, how about let's have another adult volunteer.
Mermaid na!
朝の電車ギュッと押し込むまるでイワシ缶ね笑っちゃうスマホ